We got tickets to go see Hairspray tonight, and we're in Savannah, Georgia. We are going to go eat at the Shrimp Factory. From what Danny has told me, they have bananas Foster that they do tableside. I am looking forward to that, and we're taking you with us.
Let's go across the road, baby. We got the green.
Oh.
So we're parked at the State Park Garage. We parked here yesterday. It was really easy in and out. I think we stayed here all day yesterday for like 5 or 6 hours. It was $4. And we got like primo parking right in front. So one of the bad things is the elevators broke here. So you do have to do the steps, but whatever, it is what it is.
These are some steep stairs. Woo-wee. Danny ordered the crab stuffed mushrooms. Burn in your mouth?
Oh, I'm okay. It's hot, but very, very good. Stuffed crab mushrooms. Stupid good.
And I forgot to record when we first got the shrimp cocktail, but it's like a Creole coated cold shrimp.
Yeah, and we had a coupon for that.
Yeah, it was free.
Coupon.
There was 4 of them. I remembered while there was still one left.
So I got the stuffed flounder, and it's on top of yellow rice with asparagus.
And I got the fried shrimp and flounder. And I got a side salad with it and some garlic butter broccoli. And 2 hush puppies. I really wanted to try their hush puppies. They're supposed to be sweet.
So far, it's very, very good. Recommend it.
My fish is really good. It's fried fish, which a lot of places serve you cod or some kind of cheap fish like that. But this is a nice piece of flounder there. This was not prepared the way it used to be prepared.
No, not at all. I'm very, very disappointed.
I'm sure it'll taste good, but
it's going to be all sugar and rum.
It's kind of anticlimactic.
25 years ago, it was a lot better.
Yeah.
Very disappointed. Wait.
Across from the Savannah Theater is Chippewa Square.
Now this is where Forrest Gump sat, over on the other side, but now the bench is not there. It is in the History Museum.
There's, I can't remember if it's 22 or 24 squares that they made when they created the city of Savannah, but the downtown area has a number of squares that are really beautiful, set up with park benches and brick walkways. So this is one side of Chippewa Square, and if you turn around over here,
come on, I got the street blocked. Come on.
Steeple of the Independent Presbyterian Church. It's really pretty how they have it maintained. There's nobody working in the square right now, but when we were doing the tour a couple of days ago during the day, there were people that were maintaining them. It must take a lot of work to keep all this maintained. This monument in the middle of Chippewa Square is of General James Edward Oglethorpe, and he is the one that founded the colony of Georgia. We're going in. So they haven't opened the doors yet. The place inside is packed right now. There's a concession stand to the left, and we're going to be entering through the wooden doors in front of us. And if you haven't gotten your tickets yet, you stand in this line over here. At the concession stand, they have beverages that are non-alcoholic. They have wine by the glass. They also have popcorn and candy. Prices are very reasonable. Okay, we just got in. It's a cute theater. There's a center section and then a left and a right section. We are on row 3, seats 10 and 11. So this is the first page of the cast. And this is the second page of the cast. And we just happen to be sitting next to the mom of this lady right here, Ani, Dynamite.
After midnight, I use it to extract the opposite sex. Oh, goodness, girl, you got it going on.
During intermission, I learned that it's probable that John Wilkes Booth performed at the Savannah Theater, since both his father and brother performed there. I knew that Savannah was where the Forrest Gump bench scene was filmed. Here I also found out that the actors used the Savannah Theater as their wardrobe and makeup headquarters.
Watch Mom and Me next Thursday on Mother Day.
Oh my gosh, I thought it was fabulous. I thought the last show that we saw was really good when we saw Sound of Music, but this show was fabulous. I mean, all the work that went into choreography and all the dances and everything, I just can't imagine. The people were very professional. It was like a Broadway show.
I liked it. It was a really cool date night. It was a good musical. The production was really nice, and the vocals were pretty cool. And we're in downtown Savannah on a date night on Friday night. What else can you do?
How did you like it compared to Sound of Music?
Production was better here, but I really liked the Sound of Music. I thought that, I guess it's because I've never seen the Hairspray before, so I didn't really relate to it as much as I related to the Sound of Music. But they were both really good.
Neither one of us have ever seen Hairspray, the movie, or we had no idea what to expect, what the theme was for it, so we had no idea, but it was awesome. If you get a chance to see it, you need to see it.
Correct.